Hello dear children, welcome to our science club activity. Today we are going to prepare sandalwood natural soap. This soap is 100% natural. It cleanses and hydrates the skin without clogging the pores, allowing the skin to breathe. It helps in reducing the appearance of wrinkles, giving healthy and youthful looking skin. Before we start making the soap, here are the basic things we need. Sandalwood powder, coconut oil, caustic soda, distilled water, coloring agent, sandalwood essential oil. We can also use other oils such as sunflower oil, olive oil, etc. along with coconut oil. Here we are using 100 gram of coconut oil. Now that we have got the basics, let's get down to soap making. First, we are going to prepare lye solution. To prepare the lye solution, we mix 17.4 gram of caustic soda and 35 gram of distilled water. This process is an exothermic reaction and so heat will be produced. Dear children, you have to prepare this lye solution with the help of your parents. Although it's completely safe once incorporated in the soap, always wear long sleeve shirt, safety glasses, rubber gloves, and make sure your workspace is well ventilated. Prepare the mix in a stainless steel container on a thick surface. Avoid using plastic container. Take distilled water in the container, then slowly add caustic soda bit by bit and stir the mixture until it is fully dissolved. This solution will be hot, so keep it aside until it reaches room temperature. This may take 2 hours. Next, mix 20 gram of sandalwood powder in 100 gram of coconut oil. Then add yellow color agent as per necessity. Stir continuously for about 30 minutes. At this time, apply oil on the soap mold. If you don't have a soap mold, you can use a soap box or any other boxes. Once the lye solution is at the right temperature, we can pour in the oil mix, mixing it with a spoon until they are both incorporated. Now, add 3 gram of sandalwood essential oil to the mix and stir well. Now carefully pour the soap mixture into molds, making sure to fill them to the top. Give the mold tray a gentle tap to get rid of any air bubbles that might be trapped inside and cover the mold. Usually, it takes 24 hours for the soap bar to harden. Once the soap bar reach the right consistency, take them out of the molds and keep them aside for 2 weeks to complete the chemical reaction. If used before, there are chances for skin irritation. Children, now our sandalwood natural soap is ready. Thank you.